Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, and today I'm going to show you how to be a sugar daddy on Cash App. So Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. You got a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, a card where you can spend your balance, and peer-to-peer payments. I have hundreds of tutorials and experiments on my YouTube channel for Cash App so you can learn exactly how to use all of these features. So be sure to like and subscribe if you're interested. Today I'm going to show you why Cash App is the best app for being a sugar daddy and how to do it. The first thing that you need to know is that you have this cash balance up here at the top. You can send money to and from your bank instantly with these buttons below. So this allows you to manage the amount of money that your girl can spend with your card. The next thing you need to do is come to this card tab over here. This allows you to get a physical card in the mail where you can spend your cash balance. So you give your girl your physical card here, then you have control over how much she can spend. If you only want to allow her to spend $46, you only leave $46 in here. If you want to allow her to have $100, you can tap add cash, add in $54 more, and then that's what she can spend. The next most important feature here is going to be the lock card feature. You want to make sure this is unlocked to be able to spend your balance with the card. Then if you get sick of your girl spending the balance, you can just lock the card and she's locked out. She can't spend anymore. Another thing you can use this for is if you give your girl your card and then she leaves you, she bounces, she's no longer in it to win it. You just lock that card and she's done. It's over. She can't spend anymore. And then at that point, if she never comes back, you just come down here and you tap design a new card. It's only $5 and they're gonna send you a brand new card in the mail and the old one is donezo. Then you can find a new girl and give her the new card. There you have it, how to be a sugar daddy on Cash App the most effective way possible. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.